Hey, Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Check-in on a job from yesterday. Just put in crown molding each room, even little laundry room here, even the garage here. They finished it out nicely. This was the garage. Actually, they enclosed it, and we'll put a vent in here, and then it'll make it living space, and that will actually it'll make this place more valuable because it adds more living space. I mean, it's significantly. You get more for that. So the other thing that happened is put in countertops yesterday. This is quartzite, and you can see you got a little shelf here. These were the Pepto-Bismol cabinets, so I'll put a before picture in here. But they look like Pepto-Bismol, pink, and then the countertops were like a pea soup puke green, pretty terrible. And so now, you have to see the difference. Man, I'm really happy. These really came out nice. Anyways, we retextured the ceiling and all the walls, and new floor. This is not a high dollar floor, but it looks great. And what I did is I'm going to rent this house, and then I'm going to sell it. I'm going to keep it at least a year. That's the plan. I don't normally usually do that, but I feel really good about doing it right now. Maybe by 3 or 4 more, just like this one. I'm going to time out the leases so that I can, when I terminate the leases, I'll buy something, and then I'll roll the profits from these 4 or 5 houses into probably a commercial building, office building, or something like that. And urge you to do the same. So listen, get in the mentorship or apply for the mentorship, take a webinar. I'm not going to take any new mentees after March 15th. And then I'm going to let the summer go through. And then after the summer, I'm still going to be having classes for everybody that's in the class. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just not going to take any new people. And it'll be higher. The price will go up at the end of summer. Anyways, just want to make that clear. But anyways, this is another beauty, this is a beautiful thing. You buy property under market and sell it for more. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Promise you'll learn a lot about real estate. If you stick around, got the best and brightest, most profitable students on the internet compared to anybody out there. Thanks, see you later. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.